Subscribe to the Minor Tech Tip channel, also hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. Are you a Novo Launcher user and you're using it since the beginning? Then it is the perfect time to replace it with this awesome new launcher. What's up guys, Kushal here, and in today's video we're gonna talk about the Hyperion launcher and its features. And note that it is the highly customizable launcher which will definitely replacing your Novo launcher. So watch this video till the end because there are some amazing features hidden in this launcher. So let's find them out after the intro. Well, firstly, if you're a Novo Launcher user, which I was too before getting this launcher, and compared to this launcher, Novo Launcher looks very dull. And see this one is totally clean and it's got many more features in it. And starting with the looks, and you can see that how beautiful the dock and the home screen looks of the Hyperion launcher. And you can also customize each and every part of this launcher. Swipe down to drop down the notification bar and tap and hold to bring up the menu icons. And from here you can easily select your wallpaper, you can select your icon pack, and even you can add the widgets, and you can go to your system settings directly from here. Moving to the home screen setting, here you can change the colors, you can change the launcher theme to dark light, transparent or black, or you can change the accent color to your favorite one. And from here you can change the search bar background color, and you can set the folder background color too. Also you can set the drawer background color to your favorite one, and I've set it to a matte color. And just look at it, isn't it look incredible? And lastly, from here you can set the dock background color too. Moving to the iconography, from here you can change the desktop icon size and the level size. You can change the dock icon size, also you can change the drawer icon size too. And you can also change the folder icon size. Then from here you can select your icon pack very easily. Also you can set different icon shapes from here. Then from here you can enable the notification dot. For this you have to give this launcher notification access. Also you can change the notification dot into numbers of how much notifications you got. And even you can customize the notification dot size and the positions from here. Moving to the typography, you can add your custom fonts from here and make your desktop look more attractive. Moving to the interface, you can enable the display Google feed, you can change the wallpaper mode to scroll or full. Also you can lock your desktop to prevent accidental touch. Then you can set the status bar and navigation bar theme to light or dark or wallpaper based. You can also give your wallpaper a gradient effect with this launcher. Moving on to the drawer, you can set background blur into your drawer. Also you can enable or disable app suggestions, you can enable automatically close app drawer after opening any app, which is a very handy feature of this launcher. Also by enabling remember drawer position, you can get the app drawer where you left it the last time. Moving to the dock option, you can even set blur into your dock. You can set dock indicator style to bar or arrow. For me, arrow looks pretty fine. Also you can change the dock style to round or flat. You can change the height of the dock, you can add some shadow, and you can create 2 rows of docks which looks ridiculous. And if you enable the last option, then it will add the app drawer button into your dock. So it's for those guys who loves retro app drawer icon in the launchers. With this launcher, you can also hide applications by just selecting applications which you want to hide. And you can also protect your application with your fingerprint sensor. So whenever you try to open those applications, it will require your fingerprint to access that particular application. Which is again a very handy feature for me. And you can also set the app relock time over here, and you can also rotate your home screen as well. There is a grid customization present too in this launcher, from where you can select how many apps you want in a row or in a column. Coming to the widget section, and you can add some Google widgets from here into your home screen. So if you're also wondering how to remove that Google search widget from your home screen, then just disable this option and it will be gone forever. Also you can set some home screen gestures with this launcher. You can change the animation speed and the animation time as well. And after doing all these settings, now you're thinking that if there is any backup or restore system in this launcher. Well, of course there is. Just click on this profile manager, then click on this plus button and create a profile. And as you can see that it is ready to back up. And the backup will include your home screen wallpaper and the settings and the changes you have made in this launcher and the desktop as well. So just click on create and you're done. Now if you want to restore this backup, then just click on the backup and restore it. So I guess you got some idea about the new Hyperion launcher, and it is the best launcher I would say among all the other launchers. And after using this, you'll definitely love it, and of course it has the ability to replace your Nova launcher. So check this awesome launcher for once. The free version is available on Play Store, and if you like the video then drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and of course share this video with everyone else. And I'll see you guys in the next one.